You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these stars. We'll be looking at how to say more names from astronomy as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The Cepheids, or it's also correct, it's also used to be pronounced as Cepheids or Cepheids. Both pronunciations are correct, Cepheids or Cepheids. And now you know. More videos for you here. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.